Hello everyone, welcome to the Frugal Green Indian, where we grow through good food and communication. Today is a Frugal Green Eats video and I'm here with an amazing Dulche de Leche coffee ice cream or Toffee coffee ice cream, for which you just need 3 ingredients: condensed milk, normal milk and a little bit of coffee. So you start off by putting this milk maid or the mithai maid in my case in the pressure cooker and cook up to just 1 whistle and let it cool down for 20 minutes. Then on the side, just heat up the milk. Remember, I'm heating it up, not boiling it or not reducing it. Then there you go, all your ingredients are ready. You have to let the milk cool down a bit, maybe let it come to a lukewarm temperature before mixing all the ingredients. Yep, it's as simple as that. You just let it cool down a bit and mix up. For me, I don't need to measure the coffee because I know what I want from this. But if you want a mild coffee flavor, I would say you can just add about 2 tablespoons. And if you want a really strong coffee flavor and a mild toffee flavor, then go on with 4 tablespoons. There you go. You just mix it all up so that the coffee is incorporated, and then you pour in about half of the dulce de leche or the caramel sauce we just made. Oh, look at the gooey caramel toffee sauce. This is the easiest caramel toffee sauce you can make within just 30 minutes as opposed to the 3-hour long recipe which most places call for. And I promise you, this is going to be your new favorite ice cream variant from now. Alright, so just mix it all up, and with the leftover toffee sauce, what I do is just boil it up a little bit more to make it darker and just keep it aside. I got tired of mixing with a spoon, that's why I'm taking my mini milk beater. That's okay, you don't need any hand beater or electric whisker. All you need is a fork to form this foam. We want this foamy layer to form because that ensures that the crystallization of the ice cream doesn't happen and our ice cream is smooth and creamy. So just look at this. I am serving it with few cookies. That's optional. You can just have it as it is. It's going to blow your mind off. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and do subscribe for more such easy recipes. Take care.